How to remove iOS 18 beta from iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Then, go to Software Update. You can view the available software downloads over here. As you can see, your phone is already up to date. Then, go to Beta Updates above. Here, you can view the beta updates available to install. Select Off as shown to turn off beta updates. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily remove iOS 18 beta from iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.